Hello students, welcome to SP classes of class 10. In today's class, we will learn about introduction to trigonometry. In yesterday's and day before yesterday's classes, we have learned some more basic things about trigonometry and we have solved a few more examples how to find the sin A, cos A, tan A, and we are dealing only with the right angle triangle. With that, we have solved some more examples and we have seen PGT, that is Pythagoras theorem, and we can find out any side if two sides are given, and we can find out one more side with the PGT, that is Pythagoras theorem. By using PGT we can find another side. Okay, in today's class we are dealing with only basic trigonometry. In that we are dealing with only right angle triangle, base is equal to adjacent side and perpendicular is equal to opposite side. So we have HBP. H for means H for hypotenuse, B for base, P for perpendicular. By these three we can further write 6 more ratios called trigonometric ratios. And for this, which are the 6 ratios we are having? Sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, secant theta and cot theta. Sin of theta is equal to sin theta, that is P by H, and cos of theta is equal to cos theta, that is P by H. Tangent of theta, that is tan theta, is equal to P by B. Tangent is the big name, so before that we are writing in short as tan theta. Cosecant of theta is equal to cosec theta, that is H by P, and secant of theta, that is sec theta, is equal to H by B. Contingent of theta, cot theta, is equal to B by P. Sin theta's reciprocal opposite is that one, cosec theta, and cosine theta, cos theta's opposite is secant theta, and tan theta's opposite is cot theta. Okay, I hope you all understood these 6 ratios of the trigonometric ratios. And in next we will explain about few more formulas. In that, what we are having here, that is P by H, that is sin theta, is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse. B by H, that is cos theta, is equal to B by H, and tan theta is equal to P by B. Opposite of this is B by P is cot theta, and H by B is secant theta, H by P is cosecant theta. So these 6 we remember in short form, that is Pandit Bhadri Prasad Hari Hari Bol. Some mantra type also we can remember these things. It is very important to remember. And next, on this only we are having some more short formulas, that is basic formulas of the trigonometry, that is sin theta is equal to cosine theta 1 by cosine theta. Sin theta is equal to 1 by cosine theta, or cosecant theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. Cosecant theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. So from these two only, we can write sin theta into cosec theta is equal to 1. Obviously we can write easily. You remember these short formulas. Furthermore, for to solve the 8.1 exercise, we have to remember all these things. And next, cos theta is equal to 1 by secant theta, or secant theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. For again these two, from these two only, cosec theta into secant theta is equal to 1, tan theta is equal to 1 by cot theta. Cosec theta into secant theta is equal to 1. From this two only we got this one. And again tan theta is equal to 1 by cot theta, or cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. From these two, tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1. You remember all these things. We will be getting use of these things in our further lesson, further exercise. Okay, and next, relation between sin, cos, tan, that is tan theta is equal to sin theta divided by cos theta. That this thing I have explained in my before video also. I hope you all remember it one. And cot theta is equal to sin theta divided by, cot theta is equal to cos theta divided by sin theta. Opposite of tan, this tan is there. For that only, opposite of it, this tan, sin by cos. In the same way, cot is cos by sin. These two are one each other, opposite to each other, and these two relations also we have to remember very carefully, and it's very important to remember these things. I hope you all understood this one. Thank you.